day everyone, Teacher Jesse Carlo here from MCA Blue Isle. Now, I'm going to share to you how to make a simple lecture video without moving out of your seat, but is very effective in any subject area. So get your laptops and connections ready. Let's go, teachers! Okay, let's start. For equipment, you can use earphones or headset with mic or built-in mic and webcam. For software, we are going to use free Cam 8 and PowerPoint. First, I'm going to teach you how to download and install this app. So you need to open the browser and go to screenrecording.com and enter your email and click download. And after this, you need to install the app. Okay, so first, what is it in FreeCam? In FreeCam, you can record your screen, the entire screen or just the selected part of it. You can record your voice. That's why we need mic or headset, and also you can record the system sound or whatever is playing in your screen like video or music. Also, you can highlight your mouse as what you can see right now, the yellow one following my cursor. Okay, also we can fine-tune our videos. Here it has a facility wherein you can edit, delete unnecessary parts, remove background noise, and polish your audio. Okay, so here we go. This is our downloaded file. Click it, run, and then next, then just next, and install. So I need not to install because it's already installed here in my device. After installing, this is what will appear in your screen, the free Cam 8. Okay, so this is its interface. Okay, for us to make a recorded video, we need to click New Recording. After clicking, you will see broken line in frame of your screen. So that is the scope of your recording. You can adjust it wherever part of the screen you like to record. This part or this part. Okay, in this screen recording, we're going to record full screen, in full screen. Okay, after clicking, you will see broken lines in frame and you can adjust it. Okay, once you click the red button, it will now start recording your screen and the broken lines will turn into red as an indicator. You will notice that the mic is rising up when I'm talking. So you need to press or click this red button to start recording. Okay, so for the resolution, you can adjust it, and for the settings, here you can see the shortcuts for pause and resume F9, stop recording is escape, discard recording is F10, and so on. In the audio recording, you can change your input device. So now I'm using this microphone, the USB mic. Okay, and then you can adjust your volume according to your preference. Okay, so next in the advanced, you have here some options. So what I'm going to do is select all it. Okay, so after selecting, you click OK. And now we're ready now to record our screen. So let's make a lecture video. Now, let's record it. Let's open our PowerPoint presentation. I suggest that you pause for at least 2 seconds before you start to narrate the recording. Okay, now we start our demo. Good morning, class. In our So now we're done. And to end our recording, we just press the button escape. Okay, we press escape and then the preview will appear. So the preview of our recorded file will appear here. So after recording, you can edit the video. You can trim the first example. You want to start with this one. You want to eliminate unwanted slides. So you need to start with this one. You trim it and remove or just delete it. Okay? And then save and close. Save as video. Let's view our exported file. Good morning, class. In our synchronous session, we discuss the 4 conic sections, namely circle, ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola. Now, we are going to tackle the first conic section, which is the circle. Circles. Circle is defined as the set of all points that are the same distance from the center. It is represented by the standard equation quantity x minus h squared plus quantity y minus k squared equals r squared. As you all notice, we have the letters or the variables h and k. What is it? It represents our center or the coordinates of our center, while r is our radius. Take note, r should be, or we should get the square root of r to identify the radius. Okay, so now let's proceed with our first example. Identify the center and the radius of the circle given the equation quantity x minus 2 squared plus quantity y plus 8 squared equals 81. So, from our standard equation, we can now identify the center given this equation. So, the center is represented by hk. What is our h? Our h is 2. And our k is 8. Rather, it is negative 8 because as you notice, our given equation or the standard equation is in negative form. So if this is positive 8, the value of k would be negative 8. So our center is 2, negative 8. While our radius is it 81? No, it is the square root of 81, which is 9. So given this equation, we got our center, which is 2, negative 8, and the radius 9. And that's it. It's easy, right? Now you can create your own lecture video. Congratulations! You can be more creative by adding more elements like video, music, images, text, or even your own camera. You can also add some apps or other materials here in our screen recording.